Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can backtest on Metatrader 5 app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metatrader 5 app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metatrader 5 apps on the screen. So to backtest on Metatrader 5, you must have a demo account in here. So you can see there is a settings option at the top right corner of this dashboard. So let me tap on that settings, and you can see there is a new account option, and you can also see there is a username right above of this new account. So you can choose any of them because the process is going to be same. So let me tap on the username for now, and you can see there is a plus icon at the top right corner of this accounts option, and you can also see there is a demo account as well. So let me tap on the plus icon for now, and you can simply enter your server name or your broker account name in here in search bar, and you will be able to add your real account in Metatrader 5 app successfully. But for now you need to enter the meta codes limited. And now you can see there is a demo account at the top, and you can also see if you already have an account, then just tap on the login and enter your login credentials and your password, and just tap on the sign in, which is at the bottom of this screen, and yeah, you'll be able to log into your demo account successfully. But to show you a demo, let me tap on the demo account, and you can see Metatrader 5 has already entered my credentials in here automatically. And just down below of this personal information, you can see account information. So you can simply enable your use haze, or you can disable it. You can see there is a server name, account type. If you tap on the account type, forex hazed USD, you can choose your type from here successfully, and you can also adjust your leverage. And finally you can customize your deposit amount. So once you tap on it, let's say you can see from 3000 USD to 5 million USD. So you can choose any of them. Let me choose 5 million USD for now. And finally it is asking us to accept the terms and conditions, so simply toggle this one as well, and finally tap on the register, and yeah, you will be able to create your demo account successfully. So you simply need to copy the credentials by tapping on the copy to clipboard. So once you tap on it, make sure you secure it successfully somewhere, or you can also save it as well, or you can also screenshot it as well. So once you complete all the things, simply tap on the start, which is at the bottom of this screen, and yeah, you'll be able to create your demo account successfully. And now you can backtest on Metatrader 5 app successfully. So let me choose any of them for now, so to show you an example. So let me tap on the EURUSD, and you can see trade and chart option. So process is going to be same, so you can choose any of them. So let me tap on the chart, and you can see there is a red and blue icon at the top right corner of this chart section, just right side of this clock icon. So once you tap on it, you can see there is a sell and buy icon and option, and you can also see deviation at the middle of this sell and buy. So let's say I want to buy. So once you tap on the buy, let me accept the terms and conditions for now, and finally tap on the accept, and let me tap on the buy, and yeah, you will be able to trade successfully. So if you want to see a proof, then simply tap on the trade, which is at the bottom of this section or chart, and you can see I have took my position in here successfully. And yeah, this is how you can basically backtest on Metatrader 5 app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on, so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.